In this video, we will know what's new in the new version of Tesla SCADA runtime for iOS version. In the new version, we add possibility to use security encryption and sign-in encryption for OPC UA protocol. To demonstrate this, we create some server. This server is based on cloud of some of Russian companies that provide clouds for their devices, and choose security mode sign-in encryption and policy basic, and this policy. Create some tag. We choose meter station tag temperature. Select. And for humidity, also choose this tag for humidity. And now let's check this project in Tesla SCADA runtime for desktop version macOS. You see this temperature and humidity, and you can see that services are encrypted. Now let's import this project for iOS. Import, choose, and place this. And now let's load on iPhone and also on it's not upload. Let's check settings on iPhone and back. Try again. Let's close and reopen. Sometimes it happened. Yes, it's uploaded. And let's upload also on our simulator. It's uploaded also. Now we have to, unfortunately, Tesla SCADA runtime for iOS doesn't create their own certificate. We have to create it on our Tesla SCADA ID or our Tesla SCADA runtime for desktop version and copy it on our iPhone. Where you can find certificate for Tesla SCADA on desktop. You should open your project locations and choose private folder and copy this folder in some place. For example, on macOS I copy on .load. And let's open our iPhone. In the new version of macOS you can find it in Finder. In other version of macOS you can find it in iTunes and in Windows version and in Windows OS you can find it on iTunes. Files and choose our Tesla SCADA runtime folders. It's private folder created when you first start project with OPC UA server. In our case, it's already created, but you can just copy this private folder in the folder here. Let's do it. It's copied. And now, also, I preliminarily copy this private folder to iOS simulator. And let's check first on iOS simulator how it works. Yes, it works. And you can use Wireshark to show that services are encrypted. And you can see read request and read response. It's services from Tesla SCADA to ID. If we close this Tesla SCADA to ID, you can see only services from simulator. Tesla SCADA runtime for desktop stopped at this moment. Now let's see how it works on iPhone. We upload the project and try to run it. And you can see it works. Okay, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please write in on our forum or by email.